If you run a done-for-you agency or run a consultancy offer and you're not taking LinkedIn seriously in 2026, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're already left behind because LinkedIn just passed over 1 billion members, and that means tens of millions decision makers that log in every month and even every day. And the top of the majority of the B2B marketing platforms are saying that LinkedIn actually is the best platform to get more leads. So in this video, I'm gonna show you why LinkedIn is a must in 2026, exactly how to use simple daily routines to add clients to your business. And you might ask, why LinkedIn? Why now? Well, there's a few changes that had happened to the platform recently. So LinkedIn used to be an online resume. Now it's more of your email list, meaning people see your stuff over and over again. It's basically a conference hall, meaning all your buyers are in one room that you can speak directly to at once in a very targeted message. It's also your outbound tool, meaning you can DM decision makers directly. And with a platform that has over 1 billion professionals, dozens of millions of people who sign checks and do deals on a daily basis, well, it's unlike any other platform because people are on LinkedIn to do business. So the real question isn't should I be on LinkedIn? It's how do I turn LinkedIn into a predictable pipeline instead of random likes and vanity metrics that doesn't do me any good. Because most agencies, they do one or two things. They post, they try things, they have seen some stuff work, but they don't have any true strategy to them. Or maybe they even spam DMs or try to build a networking relationship and ultimately get ignored, or just has automation, but that doesn't work whatsoever. Most agencies do one of two things. They post content and pray someone's gonna DM them, or they spam DMs with no relationship and get ignored, or just automate the full process with any strategy, or just put on the automations and hope they'll get clients for it without a true strategy and funnel in the back end. So what's overlooked is having a funnel strategy that nurture and convert your ICP on specific platform. So think of it like this. You post there at top of funnel where you warm the people up. So you show proof and you make your name familiar, and at the bottom you have the DMs, like the bottom of the funnel. So you start the real conversation and book the calls, because your content grows your audience and warms them up and makes the DMs easier and less awkward when it comes to that stage. So the two combined together is, well, it is a boring task, it might be, but it's what drives clients. So this is exactly what I use as my 7-day LinkedIn sprint with my clients. We post on a daily basis, we send connection requests, we use permission-based DMs, and it's all tracked because we can track from start and to the client how it happens. So let me show you how this will look like in real life. So Aaron, he was stuck at 1.5K per month, constant cash flow stress. So we pivoted his strategy, ran the same daily routine, and he closed roughly deals for 45K in less than 30 days. So same platform, same simple routine, just a different approach that's proven to work. So here's what I do with my clients. So we start off by clarifying your niche, your offer, your price, and LinkedIn positioning. Because when we have all that, we build and install the 7-day sprint to make sure that the correct post with the correct angles, with the correct scripts, with the correct tracking. And we optimize this for you. So within 90 days, you book at least 3 to 5 qualified calls per week. And the goal is super simple. We add up to 50K plus to your agency organic on LinkedIn. And if we don't hit that, well, then we keep working for free until we do. So the worst thing that can happen is that you grow your agency and you grow your personal brand and get more clients. Worst case scenario. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, click the button down below this video, fill out the short form so you know where you are right now and where you're looking to go, so we can take strategy session from there. So we will map out exactly to see how the step-by-step process will look like for you, and you will leave with a clear, more insightful process as how that will look like for your business.